Temperatures are set to rise again, fueling those devastating wildfires. The U.S. State Department has now raised the travel advisory level, telling travelers to consider postponing trips until these conditions pass. Maggie Rulli is in New South Wales with the very latest. Good morning, Maggie.
Yeah, Michael, that new level 2 warning means that any American planning a trip to Australia right now is urged to postpone their visit if they're planning to come to an area like this, somewhere that's been affected by these wildfires. And guys, unfortunately, that area is only growing. Right now, it's believed more than 15 million acres have burned. At least 25 people have died. And it's thought that more than 1 billion animals have been killed. Now, today, we were able to meet up with a dog trainer that actually trains dogs to go into the fire zone to save injured animals, and he says his group has been able to save dozens of koalas. But he also stresses that if they had more dogs, he believes thousands of animals could be saved. Guys, everyone here is bracing for another day tomorrow of high fire danger, and authorities are urging everyone that's meant to be evacuated to get out now. Guys,
it's such a devastating situation. Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.